Okay, for the Safety Expo on page 70, we are looking at the number 2 at the top of that page. So for this, your local fire department is sponsoring a Safety Expo 1 month from today at the local hardware store. The chief has asked you to prepare a slideshow promoting the event, which will be held from noon to 5. A wide variety of demonstrations and informational booths will be present. They include firefighters from your community's fire department who will discuss home emergency planning, proper car seat installation, and fire extinguisher use. A local insurance agent will also distribute tote bags filled with materials regarding adequate home and rental insurance coverage, and also a 9-volt battery for a smoke alarm, and a children's workshop where participants under 10 years of age can build a picture frame. Use the concepts and things that we've worked on in this unit for PowerPoint to make a slideshow. It has to have at least 4 slides, needs a bulleted list, and then you're adding pictures and transitions. So in the assignment on Schoology, I kind of have it laid out for what am I looking for. So I'm looking that you have a title slide. I'm looking that you have something dealing with home emergency planning. You're probably going to have to Google and see what kind of things would I put on this slide. Proper car seat installation, and fire extinguisher use, same thing, do some Googling. And then the local insurance agent. You're including information about homeowners and renters insurance, both those types. And then just other things I'm looking for is that you have a theme, the transitions, and a picture on each slide. Any questions? Okay. Also, each slide needs to have at least 3 bullets. Okay, so if you want the 5 points for home emergency planning, I need 3 different things discussed. The one that will have 4 is your local insurance agent, because you're probably going to have to say homeowners insurance, enter down, I would tab it in, tell me something about that. Then next line, renters insurance, and then tab and information about that. Does that make sense? Okay, so go ahead and get started. Everything is just up to you, and this is what I am looking for as I grade it.